You guys want to make a loud sound and annoy your friends and neighbors? Just tap. Take 2 liters of, this is 2.5, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. Who cares? Just gonna hit one on top of the other. Very, very loud. You can also drop it on the porch, like so. It sounds like somebody just got shot. Kick that to the side. We're gonna drop this one too. Make sure the car don't slam on brakes. Just kidding. Alright, here we go. Very high distance equals very high loudness. Somebody's here. Let's do it. Hurry up. Somebody's here. Okay. We're gonna do the finale, and we're gonna leave. Oh God, that was loud.